How to disable active on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can disable the active status on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to disable active status on Messenger, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Messenger app, and this is the kind of interface you will see, where you need to tap on the three lines option from the top left, then tap on the gear icon here. From this gear icon, you want to go under profile section and you will find an option that says active status. So tap on the active status option. Here you can simply turn off both of these options that says until you change it, and pause your active status. This way no one will be able to see your active status. If you want to undo it, come back to this tab and then make sure to turn it on again. And this way you will be able to turn on active status on Messenger and disable it. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.